Hello, we have shared your video through Frame.io, our review platform. It allows you to watch, comment, and request edits directly on the video, making feedback simple, fast, and organized. This is how it works. Once you open the link that we sent you, it should take you directly to your video on Frame.io. On the left-hand side, you'll see the video player. On the right-hand side, you'll find the comment section. If you don't see the comment panel, click on the square icon on the top right corner to make it visible. Now play the video as you normally would. When you notice something you would like adjusted, pause the video and write your comment. A timestamp will automatically be saved from the moment you paused, showing us exactly where your feedback applies. Once you fill in your name and email, your comment will be posted and visible to the YachtWay Studios team. You can also draw annotations directly on the video to make your feedback more specific. Once you're done, we'll receive all of your comments in one place and make the necessary revisions before sending the next version. Once another version has been uploaded, you can see it here. And that's all. No need for long emails or screenshots. Everything stays organized directly inside the same player you're using to view the video.